I heard two members arguing today. Interesting argument. How long is it going to take us to pay off this debt we're accumulating? One of the members said, well, it's estimated 3,000 years. The other one said, no, that's not right. It's maybe perpetuity. And he said, well, how do you get that? He said, the only way you get that 3,000 year number is you got to show a surplus. And there's no surplus projected within a couple of lifetimes based upon what we're doing right now. So therefore, it's like this never-ending debt. And another one said, well, that's like a Ponzi scheme. You take it out of, you get one bunch of investors to invest in your product. This is like our boy that's in jail right now. And then you get another bunch of investors, and you pay these investors from these investors, and then you pay these investors from these investors. Why isn't this a Ponzi scheme?
What do you do when people do that? Don't you put them in jail?
Well, that's what we're supposed to be doing with them.